Bhushan, am I audible to you? Beta, Bhushan, Bhushan, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please request all others to join. Because
Yes, ma'am.
presentation takes time.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here is Bhushan Thumre, na 49. What is your
Yes, ma'am.
PRN number? PRN number is? PRN number is?
22010801.
22
010
010
801.
801.
Yes.
See the number 22010801.
Yes, ma'am.
Bhushan Thumre, na? Your name?
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
Ma'am, BRE, not A.
BARE नहीं है ना? BRE.
If RE.
BRE.
Yes.
Okay, sorry. Okay, please inform everyone to join.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. $51. What is your PRN number? Last 3 digit?
Ma'am, it is 22010833.
Last 3 digit. Last 3 number digits. Akade.
833. 833.
8
33.
833. Okay. Your name is Veda Trai.
Veda Troy.
Okay, beta. Thank you. Please request others to join. Okay, is there 50 present? Is there 50 present? Roll number 50. $52 is there present? Who is
Ma'am,
present? Huh?
Ma'am, I am 50, 6050.
Okay, what are the last 3 digit of your PRN number?
817.
817. Please correct me if I am wrong. Okay, what is your name, beta?
Narendra Jadhav.
V or W?
VV.
Okay. Next, 52 is he present? 52 is present or no? $52 is present or not? 52.
He will join.
Okay, 53 is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me last 3 digit of your PRN number.
865.
865. Okay. Name? Your name?
Yes, miss.
Your name?
Shreyas Raut.
Shreyas. Huh?
Shreyas Raut. Yes.
SHREYASH. Huh?
No, ma'am. Last H is not there.
SH is not there.
Yes.
Shreya.
No.
Then-
H is not there. S is there.
Okay, Shreyas Raut.
Yeah. RAUT.
Huh.
Yes.
Whose dog is barking? Please mute yourself. Next, 54, are you present? 54, are you present? 52, are you present? 55, are you present? 55, are you present? 56, are you present? 56, are you present?
Yes, ma'am.
56. Okay, what are the last 3 digit of your PRN number?
929.
929. Okay. Your name, please.
Nimish, NEEMEESH.
NEEMESH. Nimish. Okay.
Khanzode. KHAN.
Ek minute. What is the surname?
KHAN.
KHAN
ZODE.
ZOD. Okay. 57, are you present? 57, 55, 54, are you present? Anyone out of this? 52. Chalo fatafat, we have to finish this table. 58, are you present? 57.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the last 3 digits?
945.
945. Okay, what is your name?
Parth Deshmukh.
Parth Deshmukh. Parth Deshmukh. Okay. Who else?
Hello,
is...
ma'am.
हाँ बोलो.
मॅम माझा रोल नंबर 57 आहे.
पार्थ देशमुख का?
नाही, निमिष.
57 ने तूच मला 58 सांगितला बेटा. हे 56 सांगितला.
नाही 56 चुकीचं आहे. माझा 57 आहे.
नक्की का?
हो.
निमिष खानझोडे ना?
हो मॅम.
ओके, चला आता कोण प्रेझेंट आहे याच्यातलं 54, 55, 56 कोणी आहे का? 52. Okay, 59 is there.
Yes, ma'am. Present.
What are the last three digits?
961.
961. Okay. What is your name?
Ansfred. ANS. Ansfred. ANS.
ANS
FR.
FR
ED.
Unfred. Okay, Unspread.
Space D'Souza.
Sir D'Souza. How you spell is DUDESO?
D apostrophe. D apostrophe. D apostrophe SOUZA.
D apostrophe. Oh, sorry.
Apostrophe. Yeah.
अरे कहाँ पे है वो apostrophe का?
Ma'am, उसके right ma'am.
SOUZA. D'Souza.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your is 59. 60. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो last three digit of your PRN number.
977.
977. What is your name?
Yes. Pranav Agmare.
Pranav. What W or VA?
W.
See the spelling.
Yes.
Okay. 61. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your last three digit of your PRN number?
993.
993. What is your name?
Harsh Oswal.
Harsh Oswal.
Oswal.
Harsh Oswal. 62.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the last three digits of your PRN number?
009, ma'am.
009. Okay. Your name, please.
Mohit Jatpele.
Mohit. What is
Jatpele.
spelling?
JAT
JAD.
PELE.
JAD. Again.
JATT. JAT. D नहीं ma'am.
Ma'am,
T.
T for Turkey.
Instead of
T for Turkey.
T.
Yes, ma'am. PELE.
TELE.
PELE.
How you pronounce
Jatpele.
it?
Jatpele. PELE, ma'am.
Okay.
T.
Spelling correct है क्या?
नहीं मैम, जतपेले P चाहिए T के बाद.
डबल T चाहिए क्या?
नहीं, TP.
Just give me in the chat box. I will see.
Ma'am, T for Turkey, P for Paris.
DP.
Ma'am,
DP.
T for Turkey, P for parrot.
मैम उसने चैट किया.
P. Is it correct? Is it
Yes,
correct?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now 63.
Yes, ma'am. Anisha Mizar 025.
025. Anisha
Yes,
Mizar.
ma'am.
1 minute.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
you spell it? Double E or
ANI.
SHA. Anisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Surname?
Mizar MIJAR.
Mijar. JARE नहीं है ना?
नहीं.
Okay. 54. Sorry, 64. Last three digit.
041.
041. Your name, please.
Hemakshi Lohia.
1 minute. Hemakshi.
Yes, ma'am. HEMA KSHI.
KASI.
नहीं मैम, KSHI. A नहीं होगा.
KSHI.
Yes, ma'am.
Hemakshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Hemakshi.
Lohia. LO.
1 minute. Lohia. YA ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Lohia YA. Okay, next 65, last 3 digit of PRA number
Ma'am, 057.
057.
57.
Okay. Your name, please, beta.
Pushkar Patil.
SHKAR Pushkar Patil.
Patil.
Okay. Now 66, last 3 digit. Are you present? 66.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the last?
073.
073.
0773. Oh.
Okay. What is
Piyush Shetty, ma'am.
Piyush?
Shetty.
Ek minute.
PIYUSH.
PIYUSH. Piyush Shetty.
SHETE.
Shetty.
ETE.
Now 67, last 3 digit of your PRA number.
089, ma'am.
089. Okay, your name, please.
Harsh More. Harsh More.
HARSH. Harsh
Mori.
More, na?
Ha.
Okay, now 68, last 3 digit number of your PRA number.
105.
105.
05.
105. Okay.
Yes.
What is your name, beta?
Priyanshu Nikam.
Priyanshu.
PRI.
P.
Yes.
Ek minute.
RI.
PRI.
YA.
YAN.
SHU.
Priyanshu.
Nikam. NIKAM.
NIKAM. Nikam.
Yes.
69.
Yes.
69. Chalo fast. Are you present?
Absent.
Absent. Okay. Above number 54, are you there? 54. 55, 56, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is there? 54.
56.
Okay, what are the last 3 digits of your PRA number?
913.
913. What is your name, beta?
Purva.
POO ka?
Nai PU.
Okay. PURVA. Purva.
DHO BALE Dhobde.
DHU BOLE.
O. DHO BALE.
DHO B.
BALE.
DHO BAL, na?
LE.
LE. Dobre. Okay.
Oh.
55 is there. 54 is there. 52.
Yes, ma'am.
Who 52 is there? Okay, tell me last
Yes,
3
ma'am.
digits.
I'm here.
Last 3 digits. Fast.
849. 849.
849. Okay. What is your name, beta?
Shubham Shravan Kharde.
Shubham Kharde. How you spell KHARDE?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
54, 55, are they present? Okay. Now we'll come to 69. What are the last 3 digits of your PRA number?
I'm absent.
कौस्तुभ फोन घे रे बेटा. मिलिंद फोन घे बेटा. फोन घे ना जरा बघ कोणाचा आहे. 69 is absent. Okay. 70, is he present? 70, is he present? 70, is he present?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
आहे का नाही 70?
Absent. No, ma'am. Absent. Absent.
Okay. 71.
153.
153.
53.
What is your name, beta?
Prasad.
हाँ
प्रसाद
प्रसाद
PRA
PRASAD. हाँ प्रसाद.
चौधरी.
How you spell it? CHAU.
हाँ
DHARI. Huh?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. 72. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the last 3 digits of your PRN number?
69.
069 or just 69?
No, ma'am. 169.
169. Okay. What is
Yes.
your name?
Smith Popat.
Huh?
Smith Popat.
How you spell it? SMITH.
Yes,
Huh?
ma'am.
Popat.
Yes. POPAT.
Popat. Smith Popat. Okay. 73. Are you there? Are you there? 73. 73. Are you there? 74. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your number?
Ma'am, 204.
204. Okay. Then what is your name?
Ajitesh Sharma, ma'am. AJ.
AJTI.
IT, ma'am. Ma'am, this is wrong, ma'am. Ma'am, J के बाद I. AJIT.
IT.
ESH.
Ajitesh. Surname?
Sharma, ma'am. SHARMA.
SHARMA. Sharma. Now, is there anyone present? 69, 70? 73, are you present? 54, 55, anyone present? Okay, so first group is going to give the presentation. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. Isn't it? Yes? First group.
Yes, ma'am.
Up to
Yes, ma'am.
53, na? To whom should I
Yes,
give
ma'am.
the right? To whom should I give the right of host?
I'm 6049.
Huh?
Bhushan Thomre.
49.
Who? Bhushan Thomre.
Yes,
Huh?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Roll number is 49. Okay. Bhushan Thomre. Later on, you make me host. Huh? You are temporary.
Yes,
host.
ma'am.
Now you you share the screen. I'll be there.
Ma'am, is the screen visible?
Yes.
Ma'am, should we start?
Yeah. 7 minutes. Chalo.
Okay.
Fast. Yeah.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Today we are going to give a presentation on the topic of air pollution. In our presentation, we are going to explain causes, effects, and remedies of air pollution. Along with that, we are also going to compare the worst and the best cities in case of air pollution. Ma'am, there is okay, 1 minute.
Yeah, chalo.
We are going to compare the worst and the best city in case of air pollution. We will also explain the guidelines issued by some national and international organization in order to combat air pollution. But before that, let me introduce myself and my group to everyone. Firstly, myself, Bhushan Thomre. In today's presentation, I am going to
skip that. Skip that. I can see that. Please skip that because we have to save the time. 7 minutes are there only. Okay, go to the next slide. Next slide.
Okay. So before starting the cause of air pollution, let us explain what air pollution really is. Air pollution in general sense is contamination of air. Air pollution is defined as the presence of solid, liquid, or gaseous substance present in the atmosphere in such a way that they tend to injure the human beings or other living things. These solid, liquids, or gaseous substances which are present in the air, which have harmful effects on the biotic and the abiotic components of our environment, are eventually called as air pollutants. Now, in order to understand the causes, effects, and the remedies of air pollution more effectively, we are going to take an example of the city of Dhaka. So the case study for our presentation will be Dhaka city. So why are we going to take the example of Dhaka? Because Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh and it is extremely populated city. If we compare the population of Dhaka with other populated cities, it is not as much populated. However, the population density of Dhaka is high. The current air quality index of Dhaka is 279, which states that it is very unhealthy air. If we compare the air quality of index of Dhaka to Delhi, it is 217 of Delhi. So we can estimate the air pollution in Dhaka. These results were due to the surveys conducted that the air of Dhaka is very unhealthy to breathe in for the people. So by understanding the causes, effects, and remedies of air pollution in Dhaka will help us to comprehend the impact of air pollution and will provide ways to fight against them. So let us understand the causes of air pollution in Dhaka. The major cause of air pollution in Dhaka is automobiles. However, the Department of Environment has also stated that the density of airborne particulate matters reaches 463 microorganisms per cubic meter in the city during December to March period, the highest level in the world. Bangladesh is one of the developing nations in the world. However, in recent years, there have been growth in industrial sectors, due to which the growing population, the construction of high-rise building is growing rapidly. Along with this building, the numbers of slums are also growing. The tremendous force of population has made it almost unfeasible to maintain a clean environment in the capital city of Dhaka. There are two major sources of air pollution in Bangladesh: vehicular emission and industrial emission. They are mainly concentrated in the cities, and this is the main reason for the air pollution in Dhaka. Now, in order to understand the effects of air pollution in Dhaka, my friend Vedatri will explain you that. Over to you, Vedatri.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Now I am going to present some aspects regarding effects of air pollution in Dhaka. Air pollution kills nearly 15,000 Bangladeshis each year. According to World Health Organization report 2021, the lead concentration found in the blood of children in Dhaka was about 4 times higher the acceptable value, and the young children are mostly exposed to the metal cadmium through the inhalation of smokes, which causes nasal irritation. One of the worst damage of that air pollution in Dhaka is skin cancer, because of which many people are died yearly in the Dhaka. The emitted gas are responsible for acid rain, climate change, and the smoke all damage Earth's surface. And the long-term effects includes the lungs cancer, cardiovascular disease, chronic respiratory illness, and developing allergies. Environmental problem of air pollution, including the outdoor and indoor air pollution, water shortage, and desertification, and the soil pollution have become more pronounced. One of the worst effect of air pollution is nothing but the global warming, which is the direct consequence of the greenhouse effect. Next slide, please. Sulfurous smoke and photochemical smoke, which is emitted by the industries, are dangerous and harmful to health. And depletion of ozone layer, destruction of biodiversity, deterioration in building materials, and the extinction of animal species are the major effect of air pollution in Dhaka. Adverse effect of combustion-related air pollution includes reduced fatal and developmental impact. So this is about the effects of air pollution in Dhaka. Now I hand over to Narendra.
Thank you, Vedatri. Now I will continue the presentation with the most important topic, that how should Dhaka city control the air pollution. As we cannot wipe out any pollution, but surely we can give our efforts to reduce it to a certain limits. So firstly, I think the population of the city is the main reason. Hence, the government should control it by making other cities also more developed and reducing the stress on Dhaka city. Now, the following are some remedies for vehicular pollution. The government and the people both should understand the importance of public transport over the private one. The government can adopt various schemes like odd even, which is conducted by Delhi government to reduce the number of vehicles on roads. Vehicles running on CNG and electricity should be promoted as they produce negligible air pollution. People should also maintain their vehicles by maintaining the parts like engine and silencer. Even the government can discard very old vehicles as they create a lot of pollution. Next slide. Now, moving towards the remedies for industrial emissions. Industries situated in the core of city should be relocated to the outskirts of the city to save the people in the city from the direct impact of harmful gases. The industries should do the basic things like increasing height of chimneys and installing carbon particles absorbents in the exhausts. Further, the most significant way to cut the roots of air pollution is planting trees, as they are the most effective air purifiers. Moving forward, the government can do these things to reduce air pollution, namely watering of the city roads regularly to settle the dust. Next slide. No burning of garbage should be done. Instead of that, it can be reused, reduced, and recycled. Shutting down illegal brick kilns, which produce most of the air pollution. The NGOs and government agencies should create public awareness about this catastrophic problem. In a nutshell, it all depends on the efforts of each and every person along with the government to stop the air pollution. Now, I will request Shreyas to continue the presentation.
Please do it fast, cut short. 7 minutes are over.
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Next slide. Next slide, please. Okay, I will continue my topic with pictures.
Your voice is
in
cracking.
these pictures, we in air population in Dhaka. In first picture, we can see that in every year from 2014 to 2017, there is extreme air pollution in Dhaka, and there is too use of vehicles and private vehicles, and there is in second picture we can see that the air pollution is so much that the sun rays can't reach the
Please sum up
ground
fast.
also, and
Time
many
up. Chalo, time up.
environmental problems are big.
Please show the
Next
slides
slide.
and stop. Please show the slides. Time is over.
Ma'am, can you give just
1 minute, okay, maximum. Chalo, Shubham, start it.
just a minute? Just a minute.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Narendra. Now here is Shubham Shravan Kherde. I am here to compare two cities. First one is Copenhagen and second one is Dhaka. I hope all of us are familiar with both the cities. Okay, so as we can see in both the pictures, we can make a broad concept about how these cities may look like. Okay, next slide, please. Okay, so let's understand few background facts about both the cities. Copenhagen, the capital of Denmark, is developed European nation. It is greatly influenced by a European industrial revolution, which was carried out during 1760s to 1840s. At that time, city became more polluted. And on the counterpart, Dhaka, capital of Bangladesh, still developing. It's still developing a South Asian city. Yeah, it has to suffer thrust for industrialization for over 100 years, and it's still overpopulated from its history, and it struggled for development in all the sectors. Okay, next slide.
Chalo, more than 10 minutes over, please. Just show the slide. No explanation, please. Do not waste time. 5 groups we have to finish, please.
Bhushan, okay, Copenhagen is lower populated, whereas Dhaka is literally overpopulated. Hello. Copenhagen used a hydrogen fuel is supported e-vehicles, and Copenhagen is also called the world bicycle cities. It efficiently used internal transportation.
कौस्तुभ 2ला तुला जायचं बरं का ट्युशनला मॅडमच्या घरी
It shifted internal transportation. Emission of the city is reduced by 20%. Low carbon emitting city around.
Okay, please time up, beta.
Whereas Dhaka, an overpopulation tends to over.
Now,
traffic in
otherwise I
neighborhood
have to
unplanned
stop
urbanization.
it. Please stop it. 10 more
Okay.
than
So
10.
we have to show the show.
Only
So
show
we
the
shall
remaining slides, please.
Okay.
Only show the slide, no explanation. Yeah. Good.
So it's over.
Okay. Give me the rights of the host.
Yes, ma'am.
Please abide by the rules. Please, we have very less time. Every time may not be possible that I will arrange the second one. Please give me the chance to share the screen.
Ma'am, I have made you the host.
Chalo, I'll give the marks. If you will use more than 7 minutes, then see, you are going to get the less marks. It will have the effect on the, please listen to me. So now I am not giving, but next time I will check. If you are not in time, your marks will be deducted. Please don't do that. Stick to whatever time given to you. Stick to the time given to you.
Hello, ma'am.
Bolo.
Ma'am, my roll number was 603. I was facing some internet issues. That was I was late to join the class.
What happened?
Roll number 6073.
Okay, what happened to your case?
Ma'am, I am having network issue. That's why I was late to join the class.
Okay, let it be. I will take your name and all. When your turn will come, I will take your.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll take your cognizance. I will not mark you absent.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm giving the marks.
Okay, ma'am.
Here, everyone, kind request again and again. Please finish in 7 minutes. Otherwise, I will stop the giving marks to you. So 53, it was first group was up to 53, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I have given you, but next time I'm going to deduct the marks for the extra presentation, extra time you will take.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Sorry, ma'am.
Next group, please be ready with the presentation. I will apply the formula so that I will be able to write down. Time is precious. I am not finding time. $73. What is your last 3-digit number of your PRN number?
It's 187.
187. And your name is?
Mohit Patil.
Mohit Patil. Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Mohit Patil.
Okay. Done. I have included your number. Now the second
Thank you, ma'am.
second group 56, 57, 58, 59 and 60. Chalo start the presentation.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
56, 57,
59 is
58. Ma'am,
59
bola.
is different, ma'am. 59 is in a different group, ma'am.
59 is in different group. So in
Yeah,
your
ma'am,
group,
59 onwards.
in your group 56, 57, 58 only. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Only 3 are there. You 3 are there. Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
to whom should I give the right? Fast.
Nimish Khanjode.
Nimish, so 57. Huh? 57. Nimish Khanjode. Okay. 7 minutes, otherwise you will not get the marks. Fast.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Okay, chalo start. Initial, don't waste time. Time is money. Chalo start.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. We have Group 2 of Division F.
Yes, chalo ahead.
Now we'll speak about air pollution with respect to case study of indoor air pollution. Next slide. Introduction to air pollution. Indoor air pollution can be explained as contamination of air due to chemical, biological, and physical reasons. Indoor air pollution can have adverse health effects due to exposure of lungs and skin to contaminated air, and over 2 million deaths occur every single year due to indoor air pollution in big cities. Now my group member Nimish will continue.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Now let's look at the causes of indoor pollution. So following are some of the causes of indoor pollution. First is wood stoves, space heaters, water heaters, fireplaces, and dryers that we have in our home also cause indoor air pollution. All these unvented or poorly vented fuel burning appliances put out hazardous carbon monoxide as well as nitrogen dioxide. There are still billions of people who use these types of fuels to heat their homes on a daily basis. Second cause is asbestos is the leading cause of indoor air pollution. Asbestos can be found in various materials used commonly in the automotive industry as well as home construction. They are most commonly found in coatings, paints, building materials, ceiling, and floor tiles. Third point is biological pollutants such as mildew, mold, bacteria, viruses, pollen, dust mites, animal dander, and many other contaminants can come into the home from outdoor areas. These contaminants that grow in damp environments can make us sick. Formaldehyde, my fourth point is formaldehyde is another leading cause of indoor air pollution. Formaldehyde is a colorless gas with characteristic pungent smell. Carpets and upholstery use formaldehyde as a permanent adhesive. It is also used in paints and wood floors. As of now, we have seen causes of indoor pollution. Now let's take a look at its effects. First is the gas or wood stoves, heaters used in home produces hazardous nitrogen dioxide and carbon monoxide that can cause respiratory infections and damage and irritation to the lungs. My second second effect is if asbestos is found in our home, it can cause us very serious health problems such as lung cancer, asbestosis, mesothelioma, and various other types of cancer. Third effect is if contaminants such as animal dander, dust mites, or other bacteria get into the home, there will also be some serious effects from them. We will start experience asthma symptoms, throat irritation, flu, and other types of infectious diseases. Fourth effect is formaldehyde, one of the most common indoor air pollutants, can also cause health problems.
We may experience irritation to the throat, eyes, nose, as well as allergic reactions. Here onwards, my group member Purva will continue. Over to you, Purva. Hello.
Hello. Good evening, ma'am. I will tell about remedial measures to control indoor air pollutions. Ventilations of indoor spaces, including kitchen, attic, basement, bathrooms, etc. Although opening windows help ventile our home. Use craft supplies in well-ventilated areas. We should use ingredients which are friendly to environment, and less use of the plastic products. Use dehumidifier or air conditioners to reduce the moisture and minimize the pressure. Fourth point, and use of air purifiers or air freshers at purely ventilated place. Make sure exhaust fans are functioning in your bathrooms and kitchen. Test your home for radon infection, for any mold, radon, or any other harmful chemical or bacteria that may be in our home. Replace toxic releasing furniture or interior decor material like perfumes and strongly scented materials like paints and perfumes. I will hand over to Path.
Here we can see two pictures. First one is a share of deaths from indoor air pollution. As we can see, most amount of death can be seen in densely populated and technologically weaker countries like Africa, and densely populated countries like India and China. The second one, we can see the graph of deaths by region, and we can see that it is steadily decreasing from span of 1990s to 1970s. But we can see that South Asia and Sub-Saharan Africa have nearly constant death rate. Next slide, please. Here in the first picture, we can see the difference between two houses, one which is well planted and other
Parth,
which is not.
Parth,
Yes.
whatever you have
Yes.
written at the base, Vivek Nagnath, you have to remove that. It is always the name who has prepared it. So remove from all the slide before you will mail me. Only the one student who is the leader will mail me the presentation today itself after the presentation is over. Chalo, fast. Time up. Chalo,
Next slide. Next. Here we can see references from which we took our information. And this is a wrap up in which we understood that we should take care of our indoor environment as well as outdoor environment, as both are necessary. Sometimes air inside our houses can be more polluted than on roads, and it can be 2 times or maybe 10 times more polluted. Next slide. And these are some facts about indoor air pollution. The dry clean clothes we bring in our house contain highly toxic substances like trichloroethylene, which can harm our lungs. Environmental Protection Agency or EPA has ranked indoor air pollution among top 5 environmental dangers. Next. And thank you for being with us and listening to us.
very good topic and presentation. And it was something different than the others. Well done, but references were missing.
Ma'am,
That should
we
have
have
been there.
references. Ma'am, there are references.
Where? Again, you are doing the same thing, website and all that. I don't want it. I want the paper and books. That is literature review should be references, means the scientific papers on this and the books in which you find the topic. These are not correct. From next time, I will not allow this. Otherwise, I'll deduct the marks. The references refer compulsory at least 1 or 2 journal make use of the knowledge from that and add it to your topic and one or two book. If you take the material from book, it is called as bibliography, and if you take the material from journal, it is called as literature references. So references is from journal and material from book is bibliography. We should have that. Awareness you have given, but you have used again excess of time. Now give me the rights of host. Next group will start. I'll give the marks and next group will start. Chalo, give me for rights for screen sharing. Chalo.
Yes, ma'am. I am at those.
Yeah. Okay. Now I will give the marks to you. 1 minute. Where are those marks? Huh? Yeah. Okay. Your group was 56, 57, and 58, na?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I got the message someone is in the hospital. Who was in hospital because of which could not get the range? 53 or 54? Someone has written in the chat box that because of I'm in hospital, I'm not able to get the good range. Huh? Who is he?
He was Narendra, ma'am. Narendra.
Huh? Who?
Ma'am, Shreyas Raut.
Shreyas Raut.
Okay. Why you are not well or someone else from your family is not well? Yes. Why are you in hospital?
My grandfather.
Okay, you call me later and inform me. Now next group is 59, 60, 61, 62. Up to what it is?
63 and 63.
So 59 to 63. To whom
Yes,
should
ma'am.
I give the rights? Fast?
Ma'am, 59, ma'am.
Fred.
Ansfred D'Souza.
Huh?
Ansfred, ma'am. 59.
59. Okay. I'll give the right to 59. Okay. Chalo, I have given the right. 7 minutes starts now. Do it fast.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is it audible? Is it visible?
Yeah, now visible.
Yeah, Anisha, you can take up.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
Anisha, sure.
Yes, beta.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Anisha Mizar from Group 3, and our topic for today's case study presentation is forest fires in Uttarakhand. We have Ansfred as a group leader, Pranav, Harsh, Mohit, and Anisha in our group. And now I will hand over to Pranav, who will proceed further.
Thank you, Anisha. Hello, everyone. This is Pranav. So let's proceed with slides. Now our main question is, what is air pollution? Air pollution is the presence of substances in atmosphere that are harmful to health of human and other living beings or cause damage to climate or to materials. Now we have got doubt that what are the pollutants that causes air pollution? So these are pollutants like gases, example, ammonia, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, chlorofluorocarbons, and particulates, organic and inorganic particulates, and some biological molecules. And these pollutants can cause effect. So let's see pollutants. Pollutants may cause allergies, disease, and even death. It may also cause harm to other living organisms such as animals, food crops, and may damage the natural or built environment. It's not just affect human, but also affect economy by productivity, loses and degrade quality of life, which cost world economy $5 trillion per year. So one by one, we will discuss effect, cause, and prevention points in detail. So I would like to call Anisha for further causes.
Thank you, Pranav. I am Anisha Mizar, roll number 6063. and I'll be talking about the causes of a wildfire. But first, let's put some light on our primary question, which is what exactly is a wildfire? A wildfire is an unplanned, unwanted, uncontrolled fire in an area of combustible vegetation, starting in rural areas and urban areas. So let's get back to the causes. Increase in temperature and lack of rainfall are interconnected. High temperature with no atmospheric moisture, that is lack of rainfall, support the spread of forest fires. Climatic change. For instance, El Nino could have played a part in the 2016 Uttarakhand fires. What is El Nino? El Nino is an abnormal weather pattern caused by the warming of the Pacific Ocean near the equator off the coast of South America. El Nino was one of the reasons why India experienced drought in 2016. Number 4, human activities. It is proven that almost 90% of forest fires are caused on account of human activities like leaving campfires unattended, careless burning of waste, and many more. Also, timber mafias deliberately set fire to clear the forest area in order for construction. Poor management by Uttarakhand Forest Department. Forest mismanagement and sheer ignorance has also led to raging forest fires to take place. Pine trees. Pine trees are highly inflammable and cover more than 16% of Uttarakhand. Natural causes. These include wildfires caused because of lightning, rubbing of dry sticks, and friction due to rolling stones. Now, I would like to hand over to Harsh for the effects.
Thank you, Anisha. This is Harsh Oswal, roll number 6061. So basically, we are going to discuss about the effects of the wildfires or effects of what they are going to cause. Hundreds of wildfires of varying size scorch across the Uttarakhand state throughout the a lot of area has been charred, and this year the records have been shattered. The pristine environments of Uttarakhand has been engulfed by the constant wildfires. So here's a pyramid, like how the pollution is going to damage the lead to the life of the human. So there are physiological effects, symptoms of thirdly we see the symptoms, and fourthly we have the primary attendances. Thirdly, there are emergencies, and then hospital admissions that lead to death. So this is how humans are affected. And according to the Stanford University School, wildfires are accounted for a quarter of the toxic fine particles, that is mainly particulate matter of 2.5. Jump on the next slide. Hello. The IPCC, Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, has given a clear data that the burning forest biomass is going to produce significant pollutants like the carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and nitrogen dioxide, the major greenhouse gases, thereby leading to a change in the atmospheric chemistry in the long run, and that is going to contribute to the global warming itself and the temperature rise. Jump to the next slide. So
Please
here is an
do it
isotherm which is
fast. Sum up fast.
Here is an isotherm which is going to explain us about the temperature rise. So a lot of forests have been damaged in it, and we can see how the temperature has risen throughout the Uttarakhand state. So that will lead to the glacier burst, and it will lead to floods. So jump on the next slide. So this is a graph of which is going to show the amount of the carbon monoxide emitted during the wildfires. So that has dramatically risen during the forest fires, and this is the pure evidence that it is going to affect the ecosystem and lead to the global warming. Go to the next slide. So as the temperature has risen, we all know that recently we had floods in the Chamoli district of Uttarakhand, leading to 70 deaths, and over 86 are missing from there. This is not only the effect of temperature rise, but there are many such floods, and Uttarakhand is constantly facing multiple flash floods. This is due to the temperature rise, and which is leading to the global warming and the melting of the glaciers.
Chalo, time up. Go fast, chalo. No need to read
the study
again. Only
conducted.
show the slides. Fast, do it fast.
So this is how the vegetation got destroyed. Go to the next slide. Hello.
Yeah.
The Uttarakhand. Hello.
Hello. Please
The
display the slide. Time is less, beta. Your
Ma'am, we have already
presentation
showed,
are good. You are going to
ma'am,
get mark.
hello.
Ma'am, we have done
Hello,
only 5
ma'am.
minutes till now.
Yeah. Yeah.
According to that, there are effects on economy. So Uttarakhand is a tourism-based state. So the burning of the forest fires is going to definitely affect the tourism, and therefore the GDP will also go down. So lastly, we had the Chardham Yatra got cancelled due to these forest fires, wildfires, which is leading to a lot of losses. And there is a loss of about 63.4 lakh in the Garhwal and the Shivalik region itself, and a lot and 2,321 hectares of forest land has been gutted down. So this will affect many things, and there is the Shivalik and the Garhwal region are near to the adjacent to the Himalayas. So this will lead to the wildfires forcing into the Himalayas, that will contribute to the melting of Himalayas and glaciers itself. Go to the next slide.
Please display
Yeah,
the slide
thank you,
only.
Harsh.
Don't read it. Time is moving
Ma'am, we have
fast.
done only with 5 minutes, ma'am. Just can you give
I
us
will
2-3 minutes
Okay.
extra?
I will like Anshrit to take over.
Okay, thanks a lot, ma'am. Sorry for disturbing.
Okay.
So I'll go on with the preventive and remedial measures. So as we all know, fire is a good servant, but a bad master. So here are the few remedial measures and why the forest departments are facing so much difficulty to maintain. The highest reason is lack of awareness and education. So I'll, without speaking much, I'll go forward. So these are some of the remedies or preventive measures which we can take. Some of them are that state forest departments must stress more focus on forest fire prevention and management practices by conducting seminars and talks in rural areas. Going to the next, installation of more fire lines in forests. A fire line is a gap in vegetation or other combustible material that acts as a barrier to slow or stop the progress of bushfire or wildfire. This lack of fire lines in Uttarakhand during the 2016 tragedy turned as a key reason for the huge spread of the fire. Okay, and the next remedy is early warning and fire danger systems. Early warning is a process that provides warnings weeks or months in advance of deteriorating conditions. This will help firefighters do the preparatory work for a potentially severe fire season. The next remedy, we should maintain precaution while camping, while building campfires. One must take care that the fire is small, maximum to a height and width of 1 meter. One must also take care that the fire is put off well after use. Next remedy, more awareness must be spread regarding the prohibition of smoking in forest areas. Okay, ma'am, these are the references we used. We used a research paper regarding the forest fire vulnerability assessment by Mr. Manoj Singh, and we also referred to an international journal on AccuWeather. That was an ebook. Okay, I would like to call Mohit for the wrap up.
Thank you, Ansford. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Mohit Jatpale, roll number 6062. I will explain the point of wrap up of the topic. First point is obey local law regarding the open fires. How firefighting took nearby the hand carefully extinguish smoking material. How to build an appropriate campfire. Some rules to build a campfire. First rule is clear a 10-foot area around the pit down to the dirt, removing anything that could catch on fire. Next, never leave a campfire unattended and adult should supervise the campfire at all the time. Next, when it is time to put the fire out, dump lots of water on it, stir it with a shovel, then dump more water on it. Make sure it is too cold before leaving the campsite. If it is too hot to touch, it is too hot to leave. This is a rule to build a campfire. And pay attention to local ordinance for trashing burning. Only use firework in clear areas with no woods nearby. Thank you. I would like my friend Answer to take up from here.
Ma'am, so what have we learned in this as a team? So today we learned about what exactly air pollution is and its deadly effects. Now let's digress briefly into how we can reduce air pollution. The first step is to start with ourselves. Don't think a man can't bring a change so big. Of course he can, because when people notice his habit of making Earth a better place, they might feel ashamed of themselves and follow his steps. So some steps that we can take are plant a tree, participate in river cleaning drives, pledge against firecrackers, to use private transport only when necessary, to either walk or cycle for short distances, and major pledge against plastic. And ma'am, lastly, I'd like to thank you and our respected F3 batchmates. And this was a great learning opportunity, which wouldn't have been possible without this PBL session. And lastly, we can all contribute in some way or the other to make the world a better place to live in. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, beta. God bless you, all of you. Now, next time, the same type of situation you have to wastewater management. Same type of slides will be there, and strictly 7 minutes will be there. Now, give me the rights to share the screen. Give me the right to share the screen, please. I will give the marks. Next group, please be ready and finish it off, because immediately I have next batch here. So your group was from where to where? 59 to 63. Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, 69 to 74 roll number, ma'am. The remaining roll number 69 and 70 have left the college.
1 minute. Your was from 59
to 59 to 63, ma'am. This is our group, ma'am.
63. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So your presentation are good, that we were discussing what to do, because you are taking so many efforts to make it a great presentation, but the time constraint is there, so we have to stop somewhere, and that is why. Otherwise question answer also we can carry out, but it should have been, every session would have been for 1.5 hours at least. Next is 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, na?
No, ma'am. 67. Only
Up to 67. 64,
Yes, ma'am.
65, 66, 67. Chalo.
Yes, ma'am.
Finish it off fast. To whom should I give the right?
Ma'am, Pushkar Patil, 65.
65, Pushkar Patil. Okay. Finish it fast, please. Kind request. Chalo, start immediately. We have to finish it.
Yes.
Within 5 minutes, you finish it off. 5 or 6 minutes. Chalo. Pushkar Patil, please finish it.
Don't screen visible.
Yeah.
Good
don't
afternoon,
read it
everyone.
out. Don't read it out the names of all, so you can save the time. Chalo, next se shuru karo.
Yes, ma'am. Now I'm talking about the summary of this presentation. Here we present what is air pollution, then causes of air pollution, some effects, then measure, and some pictures of air pollution, and then we see instruction, guidelines, reference, and last we see related outcomes. Now, what is air pollution? Air pollution means the presence of harmful gases, solid particles, toxic substance in the atmosphere. Such toxic substances are harmful for human health as well as living organisms. People with heart and lung diseases, older adults, and children are at greater risk from air pollution. Industrial emissions like carbon dioxide, sulfur oxide, furan, and gases released from vehicles mostly causes of air pollution. And also when ozone forms air pollution, it's called smoke. According to research, Delhi and nearby area has various sources of air pollution like vehicular emissions, dust of construction sites, and other industrial projects. Stubble burning of the farmers in Haryana, Punjab, and Western Uttar Pradesh also cause of air pollution, in which vehicular emission contribute to 28% of total air pollution, dust of construction contribute 3%, and industrial project contribute 30% of total air pollution. And also Delhi residential area involved in 10% of pollution. According to study, stubble burning by farmers normally contribute 4%, but in winter, this value rises to 30% of air pollution, and hence the report suggests that main reason behind air pollution in Delhi are industrial and vehicular emission. Now I hand over to Himakshi.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Himakshi Lohia. So
Good
before finding
afternoon.
out the solution of before finding out the solution of any problem, we need to find its causes. So here I'm presenting the causes of Delhi air pollution. So first cause, as Delhi is surrounded by the states like Haryana and Punjab, where farming is the main culture. So the bad crop or the crop which is grown in excess is burnt in excess, so which causes air pollution. Now second, as Delhi faces gelid winters, the dust particles and pollutants get clogged up with the air and it causes smog. And we know that smog is a combination of smoke and fog, which is very hazardous to environment. Now the third reason is next slide please. The third reason is overpopulation in Delhi, which leads to air pollution and noise pollution as well. And fourth reason is less investment on public infrastructure, which leads to congested roads and hence air pollution. Now, main factors responsible for Delhi air pollution would be vehicular emissions, which is caused by cars, two-wheelers, and trucks. Second, agricultural activities, exhaust from factories and industries, mining operations, and indoor air pollution. Now, here is the pie chart, which explains in detail about the contribution of various aspects in causing air pollution. So here we can see that most of the air pollution is caused by road dust and vehicles, followed by domestic sources and industrial point sources. And concrete batching, hostels, and restaurants are also contributing a lot. So now I would like to hand over to Piyush. Thank you.
Chalo, do it
Thank you,
fast.
Himakshi. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Myself, Piyush Shetty, and I'll explain the effects of air pollution. Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, you are audible. Chalo ahead.
According to a WHO survey of 1,650 cities, the capital territory of India is the worst of any major city in the world. Air pollution in India is estimated to kill about 2 million people every year. India has the world's highest death rate from chronic respiratory disease and asthma. Next slide, please. It's not only affect human being but also the architecture. One of the seven wonders, Taj Mahal, is located in Delhi. The reason due to the Taj Mahal famous is its white luster. And due to air pollution, Taj Mahal is losing its white luster and becoming discolored. This is due to pollution caused by the industries located in and around Agra and oil refinery at Mathura. Next slide, please. The adverse effect of air pollution on the living being is too much dangerous. Effect on children. 2.2 million children in Delhi have irreversible lung damage due to poor air quality, and it's also increasing the risk of cancer, epilepsy, diabetes, and effects on. It also has effects on adults. It's cause of reduced lung capacity, headache, sore throats, coughs, fatigues, and early death, etc. Next slide, please. Now we take case study of effects of air pollution. According to the WHO, proportion of worst quality of air in Delhi is on Diwali. A healthy baby girl born in Delhi, Indraprastha Apollo Hospital, for 2 days of Diwali. However, on October 31, the baby developed breathing trouble and had to be moved to the ICU. Doctor said that the baby had perfectly developed lungs when she was born, but is likely to suffer from bronchitis for life. And the PM is on that day is 2.5 on November 5 and 6, reach 837 mg per meter cube, and it's 15 times dangerous for health. For these, remedial measures are necessary. And now my group mate Harsh will explain the remedial measures. Thank you.
Thank you, Piyush. Myself, Harsh Murray, and I would like to throw some light on the topic to remedial measures to control air pollution. Now, we know what is air pollution, what are its causes and effects. So, there is an urgent need to control it. Firstly, what are remedial measures? Remedial measures are any measures or actions required to undertake to investigate, monitor, clean up any hazardous substance. So let's see some remedial measures to be adopted to control air pollution. First is use of public transportation. Vehicle pollution is one of the biggest contributors to air pollution. Our personal vehicles like cars and two-wheelers release toxic gases like carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxide which pollute air. So prevent this, we should shift to public transportation. Public transportation has its own benefits. We can use a bicycle or walk some distance to reach our destination. By doing this, we are not only helping to conserve the environment, but we are also taking care of our own health and saving money too, because we all know about the hikes in price of petrol. Next slide. Avoid burning garbage. It has been witnessed that many people, out of their laziness, prefer burning the waste instead of throwing it in municipal bodies or garbage dumping site. The burning of waste also releases toxic gases in the environment. Preventing land fires. In Delhi, we have regularly seen that landfill sites catch fire too often and continue for days and weeks. The smoke from such fires engulfs the city, leading to the spread of poisonous gases and unpleasant smell. Using filters for chimneys. The gas that is emitted from fireplace in house and factories are very dangerous and severely harm the quality of air. Use of air filter will reduce the effect of harmful gases observing in the air. And last measure, avoiding the use of crackers. The use of crackers during festival and wedding are sadly one of the biggest contributors to Delhi air pollution, leading to a layer of smoke which is extremely harmful for health. So these are the some remedial measures we need to adopt to control air pollution. But we should know that nothing can be changed in a day. But yes, an initiative to change things can be taken at any instant. So even if we adopt one measure, we can contribute to control air pollution. Over to Himakshi for next topic.
So here are some shocking facts related to air pollution. So as we all think air pollution is a recent occurrence, but it is not. In 1952, the Great Smog of London killed 8,000 people. According to Lancet Journal, air pollution caused by waiting in traffic increases the chances of death caused due to heart attack. Toxic air pollution poses a greater threat to children due to their small physical size and lung capacity. Air pollution that causes smog affects dolphins and makes them suffer from diseases like black lung. Outdoor air pollution ranks in the top 10 killers on the earth. 65% of death in Asia and 25% deaths in India due to air pollution. So the statistics says that by 2050, 6 million people will die per year due to air pollution. So here are some pictures of air pollution. Now I would like to hand over to Pushkar.
Thank you, Himakshi. Now I would like to tell you that how we collect this information. First, Wikipedia air pollution. Second, article from Times Now News. Third, article from Business Standard. Fourth, Indian Forestry Environment. Fifth, Delhi HTML. And sixth, slideshare.net. Now here we're talking about some outcomes. After this session, you will have a brief idea about causes and effect of air pollution in our lives. Then you learn some measures to reduce air pollution, and you will aware of problem caused by air pollution. Thank you, ma'am, for giving us chance to share a presentation on this important topic, and thanks all of you to listening this carefully.
Okay, give me the rights of host immediately. Give me the rights of sharing, slide sharing. Okay. Now, friends, even after giving the instruction, lots of instruction, your group was up to 67, na? Yes?
Yes.
Your group is up to 67 or what?
67, ma'am.
So only one group is left or two groups are there now? More? See, next time I'm
Only
going
one
to give...
Ma'am, only one.
Huh?
Ma'am,
One.
Only one group is remaining.
That is why I told you to, but no one is going to listen to me. Next time, here I am getting a choice that I can stop the things. Already it is, I will share the attendance sheet, and next group, whichever is left, you send a PPT to me, only one of you, subject for everyone. Only one leader will send the PPT, and subject will be batch F3, presentation on air pollution, and roll number, suppose 61 to 67, like that. And then send the attachment. Now I will share the attendance sheet.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, bolo.
Ma'am, I have tried to send this email, ma'am, but it says address not found.
Which
Ma'am,
email?
the email says address not found.
Manasi.gamande. How it is possible?
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
using the same for the meeting and all. It is not possible like that. Again, try it. It will not happen.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You will get it because I have got all other batches. Here is the last batch of this week. F2 is there, H2 is there, H3 is there. Everyone has sent me. Only the leader will send, and subject should be the EWES presentation on air pollution, F3 batch, roll number 61 to 65, like that. And then send the attachment. This is the attendance sheet. Immediately fill the attendance because I have another batch and I have to start the recording of this meeting. Chalo, do it fast. Do not waste time. Within 2 minutes, fill the attendance. So bye. I will end up the meeting.